Men usually get tired of shopping after 26 minutes. Trending facts presented by Trending.com. Taking short, deep breaths for 10-15 seconds can help cure hiccups. Trees in the USA save $2 billion a year in heating and cooling costs through shade and wind protection. Rice provides over 20% of global human calorie intake. 90% of employees would sacrifice 23% of their lifetime earnings for meaningful work, according to Harvard. Blackbeard freed many African slaves who then joined his pirate crew. Yawning helps cool down your brain. Keep rubber bands in the fridge to make them last longer. Social networks rarely show you what is actually trending, which is why people use Trending.com. Water bottles have an expiration date for the bottle, not for the water inside.